Tropical storm Fernand forms in the Bay of Campeche, but it's going to quickly come ashore in Mexico and likely weaken during the day on Monday. We'll watch this closely, but in this tropical weather update, I'm a little more concerned about what may be brewing in the Atlantic later in this upcoming work week. The moisture from Fernand moves ashore. The Gulf of Mexico, as you see on Future Track, really dries out. Parts of Florida dry out as well just a bit because of a front. But that tropical moisture will be quick to move back in later in the upcoming week. But out in the Atlantic, we're watching dry air still, keeping systems from forming, but that dry air is dissipating, and we have several tropical waves now. They're going to march across the big pond, and forecast data is suggesting some of these could develop. Yeah, I said some. We may be tracking multiple systems here. One likely to dampen out as it approaches the Leeward Islands early in the week. A second one right here, possibly developing by the end of the week, and there's even a third, stronger-looking system moving offshore of the west coast of Africa near the Cape Verde Islands that will deserve our attention as well. So the tropics likely to become busy as we approach the typical peak of the season, which is the early and middle part of September. I'm forecasting above normal rainfall for much of the Gulf of Mexico and the Western Caribbean because of that moisture building back in and that lingering stalled front. Moderate chance for development here late this upcoming work week. We could have one, maybe two systems here. We'll see where they go, of course, thereafter. And then behind that, there's also a chance of another wave coming off the west coast of Africa and forming late this week or early next week. The tropics looking busy in the coming days. We'll keep you updated, as always, right here with the Tropical Weather Update.